Hello there! Welcome to my first video. A scrunchie is a fabric-covered elastic hair tie that is used to tie back someone's hair. This is how you can make a scrunchie. You will need scissors, safety pin, elastic, and a fabric of your choice. Sew the two ends with right sides together. Then fold both sides towards the middle. Next, fold the two outsides together over top to sew. Make sure to leave a gap to insert the elastic. Turn the tube inside out. Thread the elastic through the safety pin. This will guide the elastic around the tube. Lastly, lock it with a straight stitch. If you made it at the end of this video, please comment down "carat" and I'll give you a quick shout out in my next upload. This is my first time to create a YouTube video and I am sorry if there's anything I missed. I will do better on my future uploads, so please look forward to them. Thank you for watching to the end. Please subscribe. Thank you.